Am sitting on the Gaya Grounding Mat right now, and it feels so good. Feels so calming and so centering and grounding. I absolutely love it. My husband and I have been preaching and practicing grounding for years. However, this makes it way more convenient. I'll explain it all to you. But first, I'd like to thank Gaia for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. I love grounding products. I actually have a pair of grounding shoes that I wear. These are fantastic. So normally grounding, what it consists of is actually going out into nature and getting your feet into the sand, like on the ocean. Like if you ever flipped your thongs off on the ocean and you put your feet in the sand and you just feel this kind of calming come over you, that's grounding. And that's what it feels like getting onto the mat. It feels like stepping into some sand in the ocean, like in the body. That's how it feels. So how this one works is basically it plugs into a little place on the mat, and then it plugs into the wall, and the wall, that particular part of um the electricity is actually the grounding, and that is actually a rod that goes down into the earth. So this actually helps bring the earth right to you in your home without having to take your shoes off and go outside. Now it's great to be on the mat barefoot, and there's a bunch of different ways you can use it. You can use it while you sleep. You can use it. I like to use it at the kitchen sink when I'm doing dishes, because while I'm standing there, I tend to get kind of fatigued. My feet get a little fatigued, but this helps to relieve some of that, so I'm not feeling that fatigue. But you instantly feel it in your body. You're just like, oh, it's almost this like clunk, and you're like, oh, my brain is not up in the air anymore. I'm like in my body. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling centered. I'm feeling grounded. And that's how it feels. And you can sit on it. You can use it to meditate. You can use it to in your office, if you have an office where you're sitting and your feet are on the floor, and you want to put this underneath you, you can use it to ground. You should ground for about a half an hour a day and work your way up to about an hour a day, and you should feel the effects of it within about 30 days or so. You might start to feel a little bit different, but always give it some time. And for me, I absolutely love it. Like I said, my husband and I have been practicing grounding for a long, long time, but this just makes it way more convenient that you can do it in your home. So once again, I would like to thank Gaia for sending this. I am really excited about this partnership, and I hope you have a lot more grounding products, as I want to try them all. So thank you so much.